in your program, it'll say whether you want to be able to have the weight on the same side of the working leg, called ipsilateral, or the weight on the opposite side of the working leg. This is called contralateral. Starting out, you want to use a box or a wall, something for balance. I'll start with my knee unlocked. I'll reach my heel back, staying as tall as I can with my torso until I feel a stretch in the hamstrings. I'll stand up, unlock the knee, kick back. What I don't want to do is rotate my hips open. I always want to keep my lower back and my hips in a flat position. Once I get good enough at this exercise, I want to try to step it up by balancing and not having the support. I'll stand on one leg, again, knee unlocked, reaching back slowly to maintain your balance, and then coming up to that top position.